I hated spending money on decorations. Then one day I came up with this idea to use plastic tablecloths to create party garlands, and my whole world changed. So I'm showing you how to do that today. To make ruffles out of plastic tablecloths, just pick up any color plastic tablecloths that you want. I picked these up at Target. I love the patterned ones because they look really cool. My original tutorial called for a rotary cutter, and I am too lazy to go find that, so scissors work well too. I'm going to just find the free edge, not the folded edge, and I'm just going to cut like a 1.5 inch strip with the scissors. So what that does is it creates one long ruffle, or about to be ruffle, but it gives me 4 options without having to unroll it and cut everything by hand. One here is folded, so I will have to cut that one really quickly to make 4 separate folds, or this could just be one really wide ruffle. But I like them when they're a little bit smaller, closer together, because it looks more ruffly. When you're cutting it, it doesn't have to be perfect because the ruffle edge will hide any of the jaggedness from the scissors. All you're going to do is take your thumbs and do this with your hands, and you're going to pull up and out at the same time and move down and do it again. So kind of an up and out motion. You're stretching the tablecloth and making it work, and it creates a ruffle effect, and doesn't look super cute close up, but when you get the whole thing done on both sides, it looks like just a real cute ruffly plastic. Now the cool thing about this is it will tear, but it totally doesn't matter. No one's ever going to see it unless you tear all the way through. But then you can totally knot it because no one's ever going to look that close, so you can fix your errors pretty easily. It is a little time consuming, but this is something you can do while you watch TV. So if you have a big party coming up, you can do these over a few nights, and it's totally easy. So see, I tore it a little bit, but you will never ever see that when it's up on the wall. I've also made these with trash bags, so if you're looking for black for a party, whoops, see, torn, but again, it's worked so it still sort of looks like a ruffle. Anyway, I've done this with trash bags, so it's a really inexpensive party idea. So that's all you do. It's so easy, and you can make a ton of these with one tablecloth.